Wel, boys bach. Dyna'r raglen sydd gennym ni ar eich cyfer chi.
Boys bach.
Boys bach, literally little boys. But obviously what it means is like an exclamation, ebychiad. It means, well, well.
Boys bach.
Boys bach.
Oh, boys bach. Juju.
Right, that takes me very swiftly on to Nodyn Nia.
Oh, brilliant. I hope it's better than last week's, because I struggled.
Yeah, I know.
I really think about it.
Nodyn Nia neis heddiw, yn arbennig I ti, okay?
Diolch.
Chos pan dyn ni'n siarad Cymraeg, dyn ni eisiau siarad yn naturiol, iawn? So when we're learning, we want to teach you to speak yn naturiol, iawn? Like you've spoken it forever, iawn? So we need to be able to exclaim with, oh, wow, well, well. With absolute gusto ag yn naturiol.
That I can do.
We're going to use these.
Well, well, Juju, Neffy Blue. Now you're talking my language.
Exactly.
This is brilliant.
O'n i'n gwybod sa'ch chi'n licio hyn, but you don't use all three together.
Boys bach.
Well, you could, I guess.
You could.
Ti'n iawn.
Just on loop constantly.
So, it literally is just a way of going, it's like disbelief. Well, well.
Well, well.
Juju.
Juju.
Navy blue.
Navy blue. Stop making me do that.
Navy
blue.
Blue.
So you're teaching me like slang things.
Yeah.
So if I rock up,
Street Welsh.
Thing?
Navy blue?
Navy blue?
Nah.
Sure. Tweet us.
Well,
let us know.
made it,
But yeah, so I can go anywhere within the Welsh community, Welsh speaking community, and go, oh, well, well.
Well, well.
Juju. Oh, yeah.
Navy
and then leave
blue.
conversation. They go, oh, rhigol.
Right.
Okay.
Ti isio mwy? Ti isio mwy?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Boys bach. This is so much better than last week. Bobble bach. Esgrin David.
Right.
What's that mean?
Esgyn David.
Esgyn David.
David's bones. Where has that come from? O le ma di dod?
I have no idea.
I wish I knew.
I am falling more in love with our language
That's my gwaith
every day.
cartref for wythnos nesaf. I'll find out where Esgyn David.
I love it.
I bet you it's something biblical. Ti'n meddwl? Ydych chi'n gwybod?
Yeah.
Cysylltwch efo ni.
Get on our Facebook page and let us know.
At
If Nia doesn't know, somebody else out there will.
Yn union.
Esgob Anwyl.
Esgob.
Esgob Anwyl. What does that mean?
Dear Bishop.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Are you winding me up?
No, go iawn.
This genuinely goes on.
Go iawn.
This is brilliant.
Mae gen I screen arall if you want it. I've got it.
I want it. I want what you've got.
Dach
Come
chi
on.
isio mwy?
Un mwy.
Oh.
Paid a sôn. Paid a sôn.
Well, paid a sôn. So if you're gossiping over the grych, over the hedge, iawn, well, ooh,
as you do.
Paid a sôn.
That still happens. Yeah, of course.
Paid a sôn.
Paid a sôn. What does it mean?
Don't mention.
Oh, paid a sôn.
It's like saying seriously, well, paid a sôn.
Well, Juju, paid a sôn.
And then if you really want to go, really? Weirer?
Weirer?
Yeah. Weirer? Really?
It's
like,
amazing.
is it true? It's cool,
It's
isn't
fantastic.
it? And then...
Gad
do you know
Gelwydd.
who... You don't tell me you haven't heard this. Do you know who says this? Trwy'r amser?
Gad Gelwydd. Sa'n siŵr?
Alex Jones.
Does she? Who's that?
Trwy'r amser.
Gad
Gelwi.
Gelwydd.
Leave your lies there.
Oh,
right?
I used to say that all the time to me.
Leave your lies.
Yeah, I haven't done the dishes.
Gad Gelwi.
Choo-choo.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I like these.
Felly, Matt, dy her di heddiw, your challenge today, is to squeeze in gymaint o'r rhain a phosib, as many of these into the programme today.
Not a problem, that's the best challenge I've ever
Pan
heard
da ni'n holi Morgan Jones heddiw, you can exclaim with disbelief at everything he says. Yeah, well, Juju, boys bach, Esgyn David.
Esgyn, paid a sôn.
Paid a sôn. Wei'r
Brilliant. Wei'r? This is fantastic.
Gad y gelwydd Morgan
Welsh
Jones.
is easy. Welsh is easy.
Oh, Street Welsh rocks.
Street Welsh. Street Cymraeg.
Cymraeg stryd.
Cymraeg stryd yn rocio.
Ydy mae
Yn rocio.
Ydy mae
Ydy mae
Ti'n iawn.
Ie, ti'n iawn.
Right,
Beth nesa?
y wers Gymraeg.
Oh, yeah.
A mae Jack a Wendy efo ni heddiw.
This is the last time we'll be revisiting the 80s with their little package.
Hen fideo bach na, da.
Juju.
Juju. Wel, nefi blew. Dewch ni weld beth sy'n digwydd.
Paid a sôn.
Wel, wir